So hello friends, welcome to my channel Jobonimus, and in today's video we are going to discuss about an amazing work from home opportunity floated by Zomato. And the best part about this job is that it is a pan India job. As you must be knowing, there are certain work from home jobs where companies want you to be located in a particular city, but here that thing is not there. You could be located anywhere in India and you can do work from home. So in this job, fresher as well as experienced candidates can apply, and we are going to discuss about eligibility, how to apply, and the complete interview rounds. So be there in the video till the end. And in case you are new to my channel or watching this video for the first time, I'm giving you a couple of updates that I also gave you yesterday. So now some updates are coming that only subscribers will be able to comment in future, and YouTube creators will be able to give advantage to early subscribers, like they can make videos for first 1000 or first 10,000 subscribers, or can give them subscriber giveaways, or also for subscribers who have only pressed their bell icon. So these kind of controls will be there in the hands of YouTube creators. So my channel has crossed 1000 subscribers long ago, but still it has not crossed 10,000 subscribers. So if you haven't subscribed, do subscribe to it because you will get certain benefits. So, and I'm also making a timetable, so please let me know which type of job role you are interested in if you haven't already told me yesterday, technical or non-technical or both. So you can write in the comments box. Now we will talk about this particular job role. So here they have written that minimum qualification is graduation, but I have seen that people have are telling that even 12th pass are eligible to apply, but you should have good command in English, good typing speed in the sense that your typing speed should be 30 words per minute with 90% accuracy, and you should have the ability or the equipments to do work from home. Regarding the job description, it will be a chat support kind of job. You will have to resolve queries and complaints of customers through chat support. So your written communication skills in English should be good. And the best part about jobs in Zomato is usually Zomato does not have night shift because people do not order food in the night. So it will be mostly a day or evening shift kind of job. Regarding the salary, what they have given is between 17,000 to 30,000 per month. It will depend on the type of interview you will give. So I think this is not a bad salary to start off because freshers are eligible. And location, as I already told you, pan India, all across India location is there. Now we come to very important part, the interview round. So round one will be telephonic to check your writing skills. Round two will again be telephonic to check your communication skills verbally, but they don't want you to have very high verbal communications, but at least you should have some knowledge because they will take interview completely in English. Round three will be Versant. I will tell you about this. I have prepared video for Amazon Versant, but this Versant is a bit little different. So do watch that. And round four will be the HR interview via video call. So let's start with one-on-one rounds. So in round one, they will ask you to give brief introduction about yourself. So very brief introduction will you can give, and then they will give you a topic to check your writing skills. So they can give you any topic, and you may have to write an essay or article on that topic. So any trending topic they can give, like impact of COVID on job market, and they will give you sufficient time for that. They can also give you 1 day to complete it. So tips are: check mistakes on Grammarly before submission. So whenever you write your essay, check mistakes on Grammarly because people don't realize, but they make a lot of mistakes and they will pay. The Zomato will be paying attention to it. So that is my tip number one, and I am giving the link of Grammarly in the description box. So if you are watching this video from mobile, you may not be able to install it. You can check. So I would say that watch this video through desktop and laptop, and then click on Grammarly, because I am seeing that many people are clicking on Grammarly, but very less conversions are there. So you can do that on your desktop. Second thing, and the most important thing that I would want to tell you, is do not copy content from the internet. So if they give you a topic to write an essay on, do not copy it from internet, because everybody can easily check it. They can check it for plagiarism, and if they feel that you have completely copied from somewhere on the internet, they will reject it. So my suggestion would be, you can read on the internet about that topic, but write it in your own words and check it on Grammarly, and I am sure you will be able to clear this round 1. Round 2 will be detailed introduction about yourself, your qualification, your experience, all these things will be asked. Then some other questions can be asked by this role, so you can say that you have good written communication skills, you are a problem solver, so you can solve customers' queries, these kind of things. Then they can ask why Zomato. So here you have to talk about good things about Zomato, like its brand name. Zomato is a well-known company. So next they can ask you about your achievements and how will joining our company will help you achieve your goals. So are your career goals aligned with joining Zomato? So that is what they want to check here. So after you clear this round 3 will be Vercent test. Usually it is of 30 minutes in Zomato, and typical typing speed will be checked. As I told you, 30 words per minute with 90% accuracy should be there. Then fill in the blanks will be there to check grammars, so you can easily do that. Then you have to rewrite sentence in your own words, so they will give you a sentence which will be correct. You now just have to reframe the sentence. So okay, so that type of question will be there, and next will be email writing on any topic. So you can go to my Amazon's video for Vercent test for preparing this. I am giving the link in the description box. Amazon Vercent test has 6 parts, Vercent writing uh, part, and this one has only 4 parts. So this is easier than Amazon Vercent. So I'm sure if you can do that, you will be able to do this also. Now the round 4, it will be a group discussion or just a minute. So if many people are able to join online, then it will be a group discussion. They can give you any trending topic, or they can just give you a topic to talk about a minute, and they will give you some time to think about it. So this will be round 4, and in round 4 they will also have a role play wherein the company member will act as customer, and they will ask queries and you will have to solve it. So they will check if you are fit for this role or not. So after clearing these 4 rounds, you will get selected, and they will inform you what salary they would want to give you depending on your experience and how you gave this interview. Now I'll just finally show you how you can apply here. So this job is floated currently on LinkedIn, so you can check here. This job description I've already told you, and if you feel okay, you can go to apply now. So I'm sure you must be having a account on LinkedIn. Many people have. If you don't have, you can easily create it. So friends, this was about this job role. So I hope this would have been useful for you. So please do like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to get benefits in future. And I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.